Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look, and obviously also installing, not only taking a look, at a WELOCK Smart Lock that is also touch enabled and also has a numpad on it. I have another similar model. That one is only touch, and that one also has a display on it. That is working, I think it's more than a year at this point, without absolutely any issues whatsoever. So that one I can say absolutely for sure is good quality, and I expect this one to be the same, but just a different type, because it also includes the lock. So basically you can tell somebody the pin, and this can allow them to enter without I don't know, needing to connect through the app and the hub to unlock the door for them. You just give them the pin and they can enter. And if I remember right, this has a smart mode where you can enter gibberish codes, but between the gibberish you include the correct code. So that means that someone looking at you, what code you are inputting, has absolutely no idea where the correct code starts and where it ends. So it's not like someone is picking and will know your pin from the door. Not possible. But obviously you can simply use, as I do on my other one, I'm using directly my fingerprint, and it works absolutely beautifully. Compared to that one, same premium feel, same nice quality to it. This, as I look at it, for the other one seems to be a bit longer, but those are just design choices. And this thing overall, more or less same thing. So let's peel off the protection from the fingerprint reader itself, and let's take a quick look in here. So most likely we have a screwdriver. Yep, we'll be needing that for sure. And in here we also have some RFID, should we call them tags? Not sure if it's really correct to call them tags. They are maybe more correct keys. So you can use them to open this lock. It can scan them, 3 of them come included. So that's quite nice. And in here a few accessories. I wonder what's up with this one. Don't remember having this one in the other lock. Maybe it's an extension when you want to make this longer than it is. We'll see in the manual. And a few, an Allen key, for example, to unlock this. Probably this to reach a tiny switch to pocket, and a few little backups in case you lose any of the screws. And obviously this main screw comes in here, and it also has can I actually get it to go in there, or am I mistaking? It's not for this hole? Maybe I'm wrong. Doesn't seem to be for this hole, is it? Yeah, it seems bigger. Okay, I think we'll need to see the manual. I was expecting it to be for this hole, but anyway, so let's take a look at the manual quickly. Here we have the manual. You can see some dimensions that need to apply for your particular door, so this particular lock is working with it. There are dimensional constraints, of course. 3 AAA batteries required to operate. I haven't changed mine in the other lock yet since installing it, so they are not power hungry for sure. Feel free to pause at any time. Yep, so this is an extension, and that's the screw for the extension. Okay, now it all makes sense. In here they show us exactly how to to program this lock, and you can obviously use the app itself when it's in Bluetooth range to control the lock. I mostly don't use the app, I just use my fingerprint and the keys when required. For the app, yeah, it's nice to have it, but not absolutely necessary. And also, if I remember right, you can have a kind of a hub that connects to the lock, so then you can control the lock from internet. So for example, you want to open the door for somebody, you can through internet. And from here on, other languages. Will not be going into that. I will fully program this before installing it into the door. So yeah, nice bracelet from my daughter. So first thing, we need to undo this little screw right here to allow us, don't lose it, but you do have in here a backup for it in case you lose it, down there. Now you can slide this thing out. If you loosen this particular screw, it will allow you to adjust this to its maximum, and this one, if I remember right, also has adjustment. So undoing that one, but that will be done when we are at the door. Now I just need to remove the rubber door and reach. So you can see here a restart in case something happens. Never needed to restart the other one. You also have a USB in case batteries get drained and you want to power the lock. You can use any power bank to power it temporarily, just so you can open the door. It does not charge the batteries inside, so it's not a charger. It's just temporary to open the door. Not power, as you can see, for backup unlock. And now I need to go to the batteries themselves. I think there's another layer, or am I mistaking? Ha! And really cool design. With this we have reached the battery compartment, and I can go and pick some batteries up to load them in here. They show us how they are meant to come in here. Always not touch the ends of batteries, they can corrode much easier, so I'm wiping them on my clothes. Oh, that's a nice spring. This one is tip front, this one again tip up. This is going down. Oh, so it actually has that line and it has color coding. And I think we need to install a screw now in here. Let me see. I'm guessing it's this one. We also again have a replacement, so in case you lose it this once, you are covered. Don't lose it twice. Again, this is quite battery efficient, so you will not need to change the batteries many times. And now let me see how I can program it, basically to accept my fingerprint. For the other one it was something on the display itself. For this one, no. Okay, so at this point I want to change the original passcode. It's 1 2 3 4 6 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to obviously change that one. So we press 0 lock 1 2 3 4 5 6 lock, and now it's waiting for a new code. Input the new code, press lock, and then input it again. And now we have a master passcode for it. And what I want to do now, add an RFID card. Actually, no, I think I'm going to let all RFIDs to be user, not admin. I'm going to add admin fingerprint. So let me see. It's a 0 lock lock. Now I need a passcode. Then again lock. Then 1. And now fingerprint 5 times. Oh, okay, I think I did something wrong. Admin passcode. I did something wrong, didn't I? It's not waiting for my fingerprint. Yeah, let me try again. So 0. No, it is waiting for some. Ah, so now it's reading my fingerprint. Obviously it doesn't have it. I didn't set it properly. So 0 lock lock 0 lock lock. Then again lock. Then number 1. And now it's waiting. It needs weird green light. You can see it somewhat underneath it. If it's red, it's not recognized. And I think it, yeah, it saved my fingerprint. Or at least that's my logic. Yeah, you can see. Green light. And if I put the other finger, oh. Did I register more than one fingerprint? Is that possible? Oh no, I think it becomes, I think it allows me to register many fingerprints. Just let it finish its thingy. I think I just I think I just registered 3 fingers, which is perfect because in case I scratch one of them, I can open the door with the others. Any one of them to unlock it, and it unlocked. Lock it back. It's locked. Let's see with this. Yep. So I registered more fingerprints. You can register more than one fingerprint, which is perfect. Let me see, wake it up and put a finger that I didn't register. This one should be registered. Yeah, I put it too much to the side. Anytime, how many times you want it will not register. But the good one, so I have 3 fingers registered. It allows you to register more than one fingerprint at a time. From a single, go through these steps right here. If you want to stop registering, just let it time out its flashing blue light and you are done now. So next I'm going to register up to 190 RFIDs. I'm going to register these 3. So 0 lock lock, my fingerprint lock. Oh, did I do something wrong? 2. No, I think it's waiting. Let me see. It registered one of them. Perfect. Let me see, can I do more than one in the same loop? Yep. Ah, the red one isn't coming out. Let me put it with this so it doesn't time out. So now I have all 3 of them registered and I will just let it time out. Yeah, with the other one it was a bit easier by the fact that you had a display, and now it timed out. I think or should I have, no, probably I don't need to do anything again. So let's just check. I actually wake it up with any button. Unlocked. Any button. Now it's locked, obviously, and now it should unlock. Unlocked. So yeah, this is working absolutely perfectly with all three of them. So that's nice. You don't need to go through this for each single one of these or fingerprints. You just go once through it and you can register more fingerprints. So that's quite cool. Up to 9 in total. So I put, I think, 3 fingerprints and a passcode. So it allows for passwords, for fingerprints, and 2 smart cards. I didn't register any smart card for the moment. Actually, quite cool. So now, in theory, this lock is absolutely working. I can go and install it. I will also scan the QR code on the lock itself to add it to my app. It's easier to change settings, but it will ask for admin access once it's set for sure. And yes, while you are in the app, you can change many settings and everything is much easier to do here. It's your choice. Either follow the manual or directly add it to the app and change from here. Now I'm removing the original lock. I need to undo this particular screw and it will just slide out. Just watch out, a bit of a trap. You need to have the key at an angle for this to be unlocked so you can get it out. If you keep the key straight, this is not unlocked. Because the original lock is quite long, we need to actually, or maybe we don't need to extend this. Yeah, we might not need to extend this. I just undid this screw and I will see if I can fit it somewhere and this be stable and not need to add the extension itself. Tightened the screw back in and yes, this works without an extension for my particular door. Now what I need to do, undo the screw right here to be able to also extend this one to fit the length in here. Extend it from 5 to 20 millimeter, tightened that right back up and now they fit perfectly in here. So now I need to open this one again because I forgot I need to put it in the door and only then I can actually tighten this. So yeah, but this end is finished. I can put my cover on it and lock the screw right there, which I forgot to bring with me, so I need to get it. Still haven't put that because I want to make sure everything is okay. I'm tightening this, so reusing the original screw right in that hole. I need to fully tighten it. Tightened also this screw. This is adjusted perfectly. Inside is also adjusted perfectly, working just right. So from the inside you can lock, it's locked now, or unlock the door as you please, which is great. Easily, you don't need a key or anything, just lock and unlock. Let's see from the outside. And from outside, same thing. If you want to lock, now the door is locked. It will beep in a moment. And now, if you try to unlock it, this is not working. You can rotate it wherever you want, not doing anything. And press any key, fingerprint again, and now it's unlocked. And you can go in. So, thank you very much WELOCK for sending this in. Having experience with the other one, I know this will work for a long time. I have zero concerns about it. Really nice quality overall, good design. And yeah, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Maybe subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Bye.